YouTube channel. How you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. It is me, your favorite baby girl, Royal Vivian, in the building. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much, guys, for always watching my video, my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, if this video is the first video you are watching on this channel, my name is Royal Vivian. I live in Italy. I'm a Nigerian, a mom, a wife, every good thing good. So as you join the family, subscribe. That's the only way you join the family. If you want to join the family, just subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload, you always get notified about my new videos. I post a lot of videos, cooking, vlogging, and all that. So if you want to be a part of it, if you don't want to miss any of this, please kindly subscribe. I will appreciate that. Subscribe on your bell so that whenever I upload, the notification will be running to your phone immediately. So guys, you can see I'm very excited because today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing. As you can see, I have my item here. This is what I'm going to be unboxing with you guys today, and I decided to share it with you people. Maybe someone might find it interesting, someone might find it very good for he or she. It might be useful to anybody that is watching. So that's why I said let me just share with you people. So this is actually a camera, an auto camera used for your vehicle. Yeah, so this is mainly for, it's very good for accident actually, as in I don't pray we have accident, but if you place it in your car, maybe someone might hit your car and try to run away or try to shift the blame on you or run away from the responsibility. So this camera will fish out that person wherever the person is. So we've had an experience before that someone hit our car, it was trying to shift the blame on us. We were going straight. This is a straight road. We were going straight. It was at the middle. It did not traffic gate that is going to the left. If he had traffic gated, we wait for him to pass. But it did not traffic gate. We thought he was going straight just like we were going straight. So immediately it just entered. The next thing is, the thing was somehow. What happened? Why did this man? What are you driving? And he was saying, hey, you are the one that is wrong. What are you driving? What are you driving? We are going straight and you are going left. You were supposed to traffic gate that you are going this way. He said immediately the thing happened. He just turned on his trafficator. He turned it on immediately. So if he traffic gated, that means we are the one that is wrong, because the traffic gated was supposed to wait for him to pass before we go. So when the police came, they checked and they said we were the one that was wrong. But later, thank God, an eyewitness came and said no, that was not how it happened. The thing the most interesting thing is that the person that is the eyewitness was an Italian, just like the other driver. So if it was a Nigerian person, they will say maybe because we are from the same place, maybe that's why he's trying to talk in our favor. But it was an Italian, just like the other driver. So, but later and everything, they now found out that it was the one that was wrong, because if you even measure it, the way he entered and all that, because if he had traffic gated, the way we would jam him would have been different. So that's why somebody now advised us to buy this camera that is very good. You place it on your car, in your vehicle, and anywhere you go, it will just be recording. All you need is just insert your memory card on the camera and it will start working fine. To anywhere you just go, the thing will just video. Except maybe you don't want it to video the place you are going to, you might turn it off. But anywhere you go, the camera will just go with you. So I decided to do an unboxing with you guys because someone that is watching might find it interesting. Maybe someone out there might like the camera. So that's why I said let me share it to people. So in case you like it, you can go and order it from Amazon. But maybe you can find it in other online stores. But we got ours from Amazon because Obi is working in Amazon. So he prefers to buy something from them. For it to be me, maybe I will not buy from there because there are other cheaper online stores. But he loves to buy something from Amazon because that's where he works. So let's start the unboxing. Let the unboxing begin. Okay. Let's start opening. Guys can see very well. Okay. So here is the camera. As you can see, they even drew a car on the top of the camera. It is meant for car. Meant for car. They wrote it on it. Driving video recorder. Driving video recorder. Car camera. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Car camera. Driving video recorder. Here it is. So it said automatic recording all the road conditions, effective record accidents and prevent malicious blackmail. You see what I was saying? I'm not even open it when I said it, because some people might eat your car and they will run away. Some will just shift the blame on you. Especially some people that have Christmas, the way they just say it and their home will be the best. What they say, they will just, because like Italians, the first person that complains is mostly the right person. If you are the one that complains first, that means you are right. That's one thing I don't like that they do sometimes. So this camera is very, very good. I just appreciate it when the person, because my hobby's colleague at work that actually described this, that showed him the camera and said this is what he's using, because he also had an accident, and then at the end of the day they were trying to say that he was the one that was wrong. Or sometimes you might pass the traffic lights. Maybe I don't know how they do it. Sometimes they will not bring a bill for you to pay at home. Multa, they call it multa in Italian. I don't know how they call it in English. Sorry. So this camera is very, very good for that. So let's open it. The talk is too much. Okay. I guess this is the camera. Wow. Here's the camera. Here's the holder. This is what you use in holding the camera, I guess so. Okay, let's unbox everything. Let me just check. Here's the screen of the camera, and here's the other part of it. Here's the charger. Okay, here's the car charger. Here's the car charger. Okay. Yes, everything. These are the manuals. This is how it will look like when you fix it. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is how it's going to look like when you install it. I don't know. So this is it, guys. It might be helpful to you if you like the camera. Maybe I will leave the link below this video in the description box. So if you like it, you just click on the link and then buy it. It's not a promoted video. I'm just doing it. I just decided to show it to you guys because someone might like it. Maybe someone might not have heard about it and will find this very, very helpful to he or she. So that's why I said let me just share it with you guys. So that is it. Look at it. It's very, very small, but it's very, very good, very, very effective. They call it a red camera. Okay. So I'm not charged it. We are going to charge it first before on it. We don't start using it. I'm going to join the video with it, and then I hope you guys like it. This is going to be the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Leave a beautiful comment in the comment section below, and then I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.